What if I told you that just 5 companies could decide the future of your money in September 2025? These aren't random picks. They're the giants shaping artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and the devices you use every single day. Miss them now, and you could miss out on the biggest wealth shift of this decade. Let's dive into the top 5 stocks to buy right now. Stock number 5, Tesla, TSLA. Starting off with number 5, Tesla. Tesla isn't just about cars anymore. It's about energy storage, robotics, and AI-driven automation. With growing demand for EVs and clean energy policies worldwide, Tesla is positioned for long-term growth. Yes, the stock has had ups and downs, but September 2025 could be a major entry point for long-term investors. At number 4, Apple. The iPhone maker isn't slowing down. It's expanding into augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and even electric vehicles. With over 2 billion active devices worldwide, Apple has one of the strongest ecosystems on the planet. Every upgrade, every new service keeps users locked in and revenues climbing steadily. Number 3, Nvidia. If AI is the new gold rush, Nvidia is selling the shovels. Its graphic processing units, or GPUs, power everything from gaming to artificial intelligence to data centers. With companies across the globe investing billions in AI, Nvidia is at the center of it all. Coming in at number 2, Amazon. It's not just about online shopping anymore. Amazon Web Services is the backbone of the internet. From cloud computing to AI services, AWS generates massive revenue and fuels Amazon's growth. Meanwhile, their e-commerce and logistics dominance continues to expand globally. And finally, number 1, Microsoft. The company has become a leader in artificial intelligence, thanks to its partnership with OpenAI and integration of AI tools across its platforms. From cloud computing with Azure to software subscriptions, Microsoft continues to grow in multiple directions. In September 2025, Microsoft remains one of the safest and strongest long-term investments. So, those are the top 5 stocks to watch in September 2025. Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, and Microsoft. Each one of these companies is shaping the future of technology and finance. But remember, always do your own research and invest wisely. Which of these stocks are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and stay tuned for the next big opportunity in finance.